Hello everyone, this is Miss Kidd and I'm going to show you really quick how to find out what assignments you need to complete in Google Classroom. So this is what you see when you first come into Google Classroom. You see all of the icons with all of your classes. Now mine looks a little different from yours because I teach classes and you probably don't have any classrooms that you teach. What I am going to show you here is the to-do list, to review, and calendar. You probably do not have this button here. You have to do and calendar. This to-do list is super important, ladies and gentlemen. When you click on it, it shows you all of the assigned work, all of your missing work, and all of your work that is complete right here. You just have to click through and see what you are missing and what you have completed. It's just that simple. If I go to a specific classroom, actually, if you look at the hamburger menu, that's what this guy is called right here. If you click on it, it should show you your to-do list. I have to scroll down to see it, but yours should probably be close up here to the top, okay? You click on that to-do list and it takes you right here. I've just shown you 2 ways to get to that to-do list. Go to the missing assignments. This shows you all of your missing assignments for the week, okay? This shows you all of the completed work that you have for the week. You can click these arrows to show more information, and you can click on the items to get more information, even more than what you're seeing right here. Go get your work done.